Hi, I welcome you all to the journey of ielts, and I want to tell you that you can do it. It's not a test which requires some superhuman abilities. People from very basic backgrounds have cleared the test. It's more about using some techniques and approaching the test with a very positive mindset. As you can see, Ramya and Indrajit, these two ladies scored 8 bands each in their general and academic tests in their first attempts during the course from their respective cities. Ramya is from Chennai, Indrajit is from Delhi, but she used to travel a lot, and so she also did the course online. When they can do it, you can do it. Let's quickly talk about the structure files. Well, there are 4 sections, as you all know: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. And the formats are different for academic and general. You can see the kind of formats which are used. The listening test comprises of 40 questions. You are supposed to approach the test in 30 minutes and you're supposed to pay attention to keywords. It's an objective type test. You get to listen to the content just once and you are supposed to answer questions. There are certain techniques mentioned here about which we'll talk about later in our detailed sessions. Now this slide, you can pause it and see what type of questions come in each section. The second test is that of reading, where you are supposed to read a passage and answer questions. Understanding the passage and understanding the questions is essential here. So you have to go in a very structured way. Your first approach should be just to get the basic idea and then you can answer questions. The third section is writing section where you're supposed to write an essay or a letter in case of general test and an essay and a description of a graph in case of an academic test. So writing section requires you write an essay and a summary or a letter. The next section is speaking, where you're supposed to speak very confidently, very naturally. Your vocabulary, your ability to think and speak, how spontaneous you are is tested in this section. I welcome you all to take a mock test. A mock test would enable you to know about various sections and I can give you feedback. You could know what areas of opportunities are there in your preparation. If you take the test tomorrow and you would know where would you stand. So if you go to the test, so this is like a prelude to the real test and it also sets milestones. It also helps you to plan your success. There's so many people who have cleared it. You can also do it. You can visit my site vidyaglobal.com and you'll get a list of people who have cleared it. You will also find the strategies of these people, how they prepared for this test to get the excellent results they got. And I welcome you all to see that. So call me or send me your email address where you would like to get the test. All the very best to you. Wish you success in your life.